Welcome, sir. We're honored to have the car here.
She looks magnificent. You take good care of her. The hot pink finish is factory standard, quite rare on the GT3 RS. Given the low mileage and the custom work we've done, the price is firm.
The corrosion on the lower quarter panel is deeper than anticipated. We'll need a full media blast here.
Agreed. The carbon fiber weave is completely compromised.
Get the depth reading on this fracture point. It looks structural.
Fracture point noted.
The carbon weave here is completely compromised too.
We need this absolutely spotless before the client arrives. I'm using the specialized cleaner on the leather now.
Got the last bolt out. Hand it here.
We need to check the alignment on the left side before we move it completely. All right, keep it level.
Clear. Bring it towards the mat.
Set it down right here, softly.
Easy now, clear the frame. Watch the paint. All right, set them down gently on the rack.
Be careful with that clip.
Got it, it's loose now.
Shelf C is ready for the door panel.
All right, steady now. Clear on this side, keep it slow. Stand is ready when you are, boss. Steady now, almost through the microfracture.
Shield is secure. The bead looks clean.
I'm getting a perfect finish on this weld. The rear alignment looks solid. I'll keep the dust clear for the next pass.
That's 50 foot-pounds.
Nice and secure.
Ready for the next bolt.
Torque is set to 120 Newton meters. Confirmed, click on the first bolt.
Okay, easy now. Keep the compressor steady. Nice and smooth, just like that. Feel the ring seat. Okay, next sequence is 120 degrees. Confirmed. Moving to the next bolt. Lowering the camshaft now. Make sure the lubricant is spread evenly.
Timing marks aligned on bank 1.
Ready with the first set of caps. All right, steady on the descent.
Clear on the left side mount.
Front bracket aligned, lowering smoothly.
Fuel line secured. Check the pressure. Confirmed. All clips are seated on this side.
Nice and even strokes, just like that.
I'm checking the reflection now.
Wiping the last of the dust away. The contour looks good under the light.
Yes, almost ready for the next step.
There's a small low spot right here.
All right, mark it for rework. We need this surface perfect.
One smooth pass, ensuring the feathering is perfect.
Raking light shows it's flawless.
I'll prep the door panel next.
Keep the water steady, please.
Looks perfectly flat right here.
All right, moving to the edge.
The timer says 90 seconds remaining.
The infrared is doing its job. The matte finish is flawless.
How does the texture feel on this section?
It's leveling out nicely. Just a bit more water.
All right, stirring slowly now.
The ratio is 100 parts pigment to 25 parts hardener.
The strainers are ready, boss.
Steady passes, building the magenta evenly.
The reflection is flawless. Excellent work.
Ten minutes left on the cure cycle.
The finish looks incredible. Prepare the clear coat guns.
All right, everyone, easy now. Slowly down.
Steady, steady.
Looks aligned on the front.
Firm pressure on the clip mounts.
I'm starting the socket wrench now to secure the bolts.
Is the alignment correct on your end?
Yes, press the clip firmly now.
Okay, it's locked in place.
Carefully lowering it now.
Aligning the right side.
And the left is engaged.
Aligning the holes now.
Looks seated correctly. Here's the first bolt.
Confirming torque on this side.
Front right wheel, confirmed star pattern sequence.
Specified torque reached on all bolts.
Okay, driver side is secure. Hear that click.
Perfect. Passenger side harness connected. Fitment looks factory flush.
Okay, that's the driver side harness connected.
Nice click. Mine is ready to be pressed in too.
Here are the trim tools.
Door panel is clear.
Rear quarter looks good.
And the wing is spotless. The gloss on this carbon wing is outstanding.
Absolutely flawless finish, Maria.
Another masterpiece completed. After days of restoration, the car looked brand new again.
Every part, every panel brought back to life. Subscribe for more satisfying restorations.